The AI Holobox is a groundbreaking desktop companion that seamlessly combines holographic displays with advanced AI-powered voice interaction. Developed by NS Display, this innovative device offers a unique blend of visual and auditory experiences. With the integration of ChatGPT, the AI Holobox becomes an intelligent companion, allowing users to converse, ask questions, and receive recommendations. It also serves as a canvas for creativity, enabling personalized video uploads and captivating holographic visuals that transcend the ordinary. Whether for professional use or personal enjoyment, the AI Holobox represents a harmonious fusion of art, technology, and innovation. Introducing the Nxtable Coffee Table. It is a fusion of classic design and modern technology. Crafted with a pleasing mid-century style aesthetic, this coffee table conceals a 43-inch 4K touchscreen within its surface. Powered by Android 13, it offers HDMI, USB, and USB-C connectors, making it a versatile centerpiece for your living space. Whether you're enjoying family movie nights, working remotely, or controlling your smart home, the Nxtable Smart Coffee Table seamlessly integrates digital convenience into your daily life. The UGT Robotic Kit is a versatile and innovative platform designed for robotics enthusiasts. With its robust AI features, modular design, and high computing power, UGT provides a user-friendly gateway to advanced robotics technology. This game-changing kit allows you to build over 7 unique robots using a single package, where AI, innovation, and hands-on learning converge seamlessly. Introducing the Slow Dance Picture Frame, designed by Wonder Machines, is a mesmerizing blend of art and science. This optical illusion sculpture defies reality by making real objects appear to move in slow motion. When you place delicate items like flowers or feathers within the frame, they come alive, seemingly dancing at a leisurely pace. By vibrating the object at one frequency and illuminating it with a brief strobe at a slightly different frequency, the Slow Dance Frame challenges our perception and reveals a world of wonder that transcends the ordinary. Up next, the Master Motion One. It is an award-winning haptic gaming chair that transcends traditional seating. Developed in collaboration with D-Box, pioneers in immersive motion technology, the Motion One introduces an inline haptic engine, D-Box's smallest yet most powerful engine. With over 65,000 motion waves, this chair delivers unparalleled tactile feedback, making your gaming and movie experiences come alive. Safety features include a cast aluminum wheelbase, lockable casters, and a sturdy build, ensuring both comfort and durability. Whether you're racing, exploring virtual worlds, or simply relaxing, the Motion One takes your entertainment to the next level.